There's a video of being at Bimini, and you can see the channel markers the captain used to come in to get us docked. And the ocean is just flat today, just absolutely beautiful. And you have your sandy bottom out there that's reflecting the sun. That's a lighter color turquoise blue, and where the seagrass is, it's darker, and where reefs are at. And the beach is in the background. So as I turn, this is part of the dock system, and well, right around the other side of the ship is where you get off, and then you can go to the island itself. So, yep. And there's a really nice resort that's further down the way, down there. If you want to get a day pass to go there off the ship, yeah, you can do it as an excursion. So, have a nice day. Subscribe. Leave your comments. This is Bimini. Bye-bye.